Hi, suppose you have rejected some quantity of the material that you had purchased from your supplier. Now, you wish to return the rejected item quantity to your supplier. TranZact gives you the facility to manage your purchase returns well. To record your purchase return, you need to go to the respective purchase transaction. To understand it better, let's go to our transactions module. Now, select the transaction type as purchase transactions. Now, for example, I have to return a few quantity to my supplier of this particular transaction. I click on the transaction. Here, the transaction timeline has been opened. On the right side, you get an option to create document. Click on create document. The last option is delivery challan purchase return. The name itself denotes that I am creating a challan against my purchase return. Click on delivery challan. Here, the document number has automatically been fetched. The store selected is main reject store. You can also add the delivery note. You will also find that buyer and supplier details are updated according to the purchase return. Here, the item description has automatically been fetched from purchase order. For example, now I have to return quantity of 10 units. I will enter the quantity. I can also edit the price and the delivery date. Now, I need to click on Save and Send. You also get an option to share the delivery challan on WhatsApp to your supplier. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.